Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. This instructional video presents a clear and methodical explanation of how to resize an image to an exact 4x4 size in Microsoft Word. Precise image dimensions are frequently required in academic documents, application forms, identity photographs, certificates, examination materials, and official submissions, where accuracy and consistency are essential. Improper resizing, such as a manually dragging image corners without measurements, can lead to distort propagation and non-standard dimension. This tutorial demonstrates accurate standards complaint method for setting a picture size to 4x4 using Microsoft Word's built-in formatting tool, ensuring correct proportion and professional presentation. So let's get started. At first you have to open your assignment. Now I am insert image to this page. Go to the insert menu, click this picture option. Now I am select this picture. Then resize the picture. Then select the picture and go the format menu. Obviously you make sure that the picture is selected, otherwise not showing the format option. Then select the picture and go to the format menu. Then click this height and wide. Now I am click the advanced layout setting or size option. Now I am select the size 4x4. At first you turn off the lock aspect ratio, then adjust the size easily, then click OK. Now we can see we make the size 4x4 easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to find the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.